Defeating lawlessness is not a quick fix. Lawlessness will only be defeated by professional law enforcement agencies working in close partnership with an engaged citizenry. This year's strategic focus for the JCF will be rationalizing units to push as much personnel as possible into frontline duties, while using technology and process re-engineering to increase the efficiency of operations. We launched the E-Station Diary initiative at both the Manchester and Clarendon divisional headquarters. No more big book. This initiative replaces the physical book with electronic station diaries that will bring huge efficiencies and new capabilities in terms of searching the database and retrieving records. The hybrid digital analog push-to-talk mobile radio system that went into operation in 2007 has recently been replaced by a fully digital system. This new system adds significant capabilities, such as sending text and data from the handset, tracking vehicles and personnel using GPS-enabled handsets or vehicle-mounted radios. Cabinet has approved the contract for the upgrading and expansion of the police telecommunications system. This will greatly improve the handling of emergency 119 calls. The upgraded system will provide the supervisors with enhanced capabilities to monitor agents in real time on a call. We have also just completed the upgrade of the automated palm and fingerprint identification system. This has significantly increased the processing capacity of the system to accommodate up to 2 million sets of prints. This upgrade and expansion will allow the Criminal Records Office to load an additional 500,000 fingerprints that are now paper-only records. I am pleased to table this new administration policy for persons deprived of their liberty. It addresses the following issues. Once implemented, this policy will move us into the 21st century in terms of the treatment of persons deprived of their liberty. I would like to share a case study as evidenced by the significant transformation now taking place at the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center.
We are in these prison walls, doing my paces, doing my time. I am spending my restless nights, visioning faces.
We intend to replicate this right across the system, Mr. Speaker. How pleased I am to table in this House the Deoxyribonucleic Acid DNA Evidence Act 2015. This legislation will provide for the keeping, maintaining, and operating of a consolidated forensic DNA data bank to be known as the National DNA Register. The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA, was absorbed the anti-corruption branch of the JCF in 2014 and continues to be the vanguard agency for detection and investigation of criminal kingpins, corrupt public officials, and professionals who facilitate money laundering. Cabinet has issued drafting instructions for legislation to establish MOCA as a statutory body independent of the JCF and JDF. Today, I can report that Unite for Change has been a force for good, partnering with our community organizations, churches, schools, and various civil society groups, taking the message of lawfulness across the country. This app, among other things, allows the users to anonymously upload text, photographs, or videos of criminal or suspected criminal activity to the National Intelligence Bureau. Reinforcing a culture of lawfulness is the main pillar upon which we can transform Jamaican society. Together, we must put our best minds to work, commit our most sincere efforts, and demonstrate our unshakable will and determination to reinforce a culture of lawfulness and make Jamaica the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.